Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this Mac Studio with M2 processor. So if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this is the base model of the Mac Studio, but I did build it to order with a 1TB SSD. Otherwise, it is stock. It has a 12-core CPU, 30-core GPU, 16-core neural engine, has 32 gigabytes of RAM. Now stock, it comes with 512 gigabytes of SSD, and I did that 1TB upgrade. And this will support up to 5 displays. But here's one example. You can have 4 displays with 6K and 1 with 4K all at the same time. This also supports USB-C video out, has an HDMI port. So I'll get it unboxed and then I'll go over the specs on the different ports and such. So this has this kind of cloth handle and it has something that kind of pulls it back in. Let's pull this tab here to open it. Flip it back down. Okay, try to show the lid here. So the lid has something in it. Let's pull that out. So these are the CDs. Okay, I'm just kidding. These are stickers. Looks like there's a sticker. Looks like a compliance card. And here's a diagram talking about different parts. But back in the day, this would have had CD-ROMs in it for system restore. That's all done in software now. Push this down a little bit. Maybe need to back up. So it looks like I can fold the sides open. Okay, and then I can grab that out of there. Okay, that's very nice. This is some pretty fancy packaging. And here's the power cord. And I think that's everything. So I'll push that over to the side. And this has paper on it. Okay, so that's off. Let's get in and look closer to this. So first I'll take a look at the power cord. Let me measure it. It's right around 6 feet in length. It has this fiber on it and it's smushy. It actually is padded, like you can squeeze it. It almost feels like it has neoprene in it or something. And actually the outside almost feels like a spandex type material. Then the part that plugs into the computer is shaped like a popular cartoon character and that plugs into the back. But let's look at this here. So on the front we have a power indicator, we have an SD card slot, and we have 2 USB-C ports. Those are 10 gigabit ports. Then on the back we have a vent or a speaker or both, I don't know. And then we have 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports. We have 10 gigabit Ethernet, we have power, we have 2 USB-A ports, we have HDMI and headphone out, and that is a high impedance headphone out port. Then on the bottom we have a vent. We have a Kensington lock here. So if you lock to that, you really would need this over a grommet in a desk. So if you had this on the desk, you would lock it and then place that down the grommet. And then this is a hard plastic here. So that's the unboxing of the Mac Studio with M2 processor. So I'll be replacing my Mac Mini with M1 processor with this. So I may have some videos about that and I'll put links to those below in my Apple playlist. But that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.